Welcome back to Kids Complete Care. I'm here in Fort Collins, Colorado, about to do another patio pressure wash. Enjoy the video.
The client wanted a nice cleanup for this patio. It sits right underneath a tree, which leaves lots of dirt, debris, and junk on the patio. With this being said, I went over it a couple times to give it a nice clean look and ensure it doesn't have any marks left from just my error. When the camera angle switches to the upper patio, you'll see how much that tree just layers up the patio with debris and dirt. I appreciate you guys checking me out. Feel free to check out my YouTube channel. The link is in the bio.